and do the factors first. So limit extending to 1. If we observe the denominator of first rational expression, x plus 2, the factors will be x minus 4 into x minus 1 plus x minus 4 3 times. The factors will be x minus 1 and x minus 2. So most important, whenever extending to 1, x minus 1 is the most danger part. So what we do next one is limit extending to 1, x plus 2 by x minus 4 plus x minus 4 by 3 times x minus 2. We take 1 by x minus 1 outside. Of course, within the limits only. We curly bracket, no confusion. Let us simplify further. Limit extending to 1. So if we cross multiply, what we get? 3 times x square minus 4 plus x square minus 8x plus 16 whole divided by x minus 4 into 3 times of x minus 2 into x minus 1. So limit extending to 1, 3 into 3x square plus x square minus 8x. Fourth is minus 12 plus 16 will give you plus 4 whole divided by 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 2 into x plus 1. So this can again be written as limit extending to 1. It is x minus 1. X minus 1. So we get 2x square minus 8x plus 4. So again we take 2 common. We get 4x square minus 8x. So we can take 4 common. We get x square minus 2x plus 1 whole divided by 3 times x minus 4 into x minus 2 into x minus 1. Now, what we observe is in the numerator, limit extending to 1, 4 times x minus 1 whole square, and denominator x minus 1 into what is there? X minus 4 and x minus 2. X minus 4 into x minus 2. So the danger part x minus 1 is removed. Extending to 1, 4 times of x minus 1 divided by x minus 4 into x minus 2. So if we put 1, we are getting 0. So main important part in limit is that it should not be in 0 by 0 form. You must get a finite value. So x minus 1 is there in the denominator, that we have to remove it. So it is by the help of the expansion and the factorization. So numerator we got 4 into x minus 1 whole square, and denominator x minus 1 is there. So 1 x minus 1 term will cancel. We get 4 into x minus 1 divided by x minus 4 into x minus 2, which results as 0.